Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create new projects in Claude. So what projects are is you can think of them as a collection of chats that have a shared knowledge base and a shared instruction list. So this is really useful for organizing your workflow, for working on specific projects at a time, and lets it so that you can have multiple chats open about the same topic and still have the same saved information without having to repeat any of the instructions or knowledge. So to get started, go to your sidebar here on the left hand side of your screen. If you're having trouble finding it, you can also click on the sidebar button at the top left of your screen. This opens it so that you are able to see all the options. So here we have the projects tab. Go ahead and click that and you're going to see a few projects. You're going to see a new interface that shows you any of the current projects that you have. So here you're going to find a new project button at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click that and you're going to be able to make a title and a description. So this is really useful for organizing. So I'm going to name this project maybe personal hobbies. Then you can give it a description about what the project is supposed to be about. Let's say it's just about a collection of chats and resources for my personal hobbies. So once you're satisfied with your title and description, go ahead and click on create project and you're going to see this screen right here. So here you're going to be able to start a new chat under the project, and the bulk of the most important things you're gonna want to pay attention to are the instructions and the files. So instructions will allow you to change the way Claude responds to your prompts. If you're looking for something in particular, you want to keep all responses. Let's say you want all your responses to be short and concise. You can provide a set of instructions here. So let's do that. Keep all responses short and concise. Whenever possible, use layman's terms, and you can keep adding your instructions to this box right here, and doing so will just make it more and more tailored to whatever you have in mind. So I'm going to click on save instructions for now. For just an example, you're going to see the files portion, and files are basically reference documents where it can pull knowledge from. So let's say you have a PDF or a document that has information about particular topics that you would like to include in your project, or for example you're doing some research. Let's say you make a project for a specific research topic. You can add pertinent and important documents to use in the file section. And once that's all set up, you're ready to start chatting with Claude in your new project. So here you can start a chat underneath the project here, or alternatively you can also do so here at the bottom left of the new chat screen. You're going to see this prompt box. If you click on this plus button at the bottom left of the box, you're going to see an option that says add to project. So say you want to add it to that project, that's how you do it without having to go to the projects tab manually. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.